Welcome to CCN TV News, your premier source for local and international news. From the streets of Kingston to the capitals of the world, we are ready to cover you stories that shape our world. Stay tuned for breaking news. Jamaica, the land of wood and water, is a place that captivates the world with its vibrant culture, stunning landscapes, and legendary music. It is the birthplace of reggae, home to the great Bob Marley, and a country that has left an undeniable mark on global entertainment, sports, and even cuisine. Tourists flock to the island for its warm, turquoise beaches and laid-back vibe. But for those who live here, Jamaica is much more than a vacation spot. It's a land of stark contrast, where beauty and struggle exist side by side. Jamaica's culture is as rich and colorful as its landscape. The people, known for their warmth, resilience, and lively personalities, have built a society deeply rooted in tradition, spirituality, and a sense of unity. The island is a melting pot of African, European, Indian, and Chinese influences, resulting in a unique blend of customs, food, and music. One of the most defining aspects of Jamaica is its music. Reggae, ska, dancehall, and dub have become synonymous with the island's identity. Bob Marley, arguably the most famous Jamaican, took reggae music to the world, spreading messages of love, unity, and resistance against oppression. Today, his legacy lives on and his music still echoes through the streets, played on taxis, in roadside bars, and even in churches. Dancehall, a more fast-paced and modern evolution of reggae, dominates the local airwaves, influencing fashion, slang, and even politics. Jamaican food is another significant cultural staple. The world has embraced ackee and saltfish, jerk chicken, patties, and oxtail, but nothing beats experiencing them in their homeland. The fusion of African spices, Indian curry, and European techniques creates a cuisine that is bold, spicy, and deeply satisfying. However, rising food prices have made many traditional dishes less affordable for the average Jamaican, forcing families to adapt to more cost-effective meals. Jamaica is undoubtedly one of the most breathtaking islands in the Caribbean. Its wide sandy beaches, lush mountains, and cascading waterfalls attract millions of visitors each year. Destinations like Negril 7 Mile Beach, Dunn's River Falls, and the Blue Mountains are renowned worldwide. The island's natural beauty is a major contributor to its economy, with tourism generating billions of dollars annually. However, while tourists enjoy luxurious resorts and all-inclusive experiences, many locals face a different reality. The country's infrastructure struggles to keep up with demand, and climate change has made hurricanes and flooding more severe. Coastal erosion threatens community, and waste management remains a critical issue, especially in urban areas where improper disposal leads to pollution. Jamaica's high crime rate is one of its most pressing challenges. For years, the island has grappled with gang violence, corruption, and economic inequality, leading to one of the highest murder rates in the world. In 2025, crime remains a significant issue, particularly in inner-city communities, where poverty and lack of opportunity push young men into gangs. While crime does not typically target tourists, the fear of violence affects everyone. Many Jamaicans live in constant vigilance, avoiding certain areas at night and relying on security measures like gated communities cameras and neighborhood watch groups. The government has implemented states of emergency and police military operations in crime-ridden zones, but these measures often feel like temporary solutions rather than long-term change. Despite the crime, everyday life goes on. Schools, businesses, and markets continue to operate, and people find joy in the small moments. Playing dominoes under a mango tree, attending Sunday church or Saturday church services, or gathering for a street party. Jamaicans are known for their ability to find light, even in the darkest times. Jamaica's economy has shown some improvement in recent years, with growth in the tourism and business sectors. However, the cost of living remains high, making it difficult for many citizens to get by. Housing prices have skyrocketed, particularly in Kingston and Montego Bay, making home ownership a distant dream for many. Inflation has also driven up the cost of food, transportation, and electricity, leaving lower income families struggling to make ends meet. Job opportunities are another challenge. While tourism provides employment, many of these jobs are low paying and seasonal. Highly educated Jamaicans often leave the country in search of better opportunities abroad, leading to a brain drain that impacts the island's development. Despite these struggles, entrepreneurship is thriving, with many locals turning to small businesses, online ventures, and creative industries to survive. While Jamaica has its fair share of challenges and difficulties, there is also plenty of hope. The younger generation is pushing for change, using social media and technology to challenge corruption, advocate for better governance, and create economic opportunities. Cultural pride remains strong, with many artists, musicians, and athletes continuing to shine on the global stage. Efforts to combat crime, improve education, and boost agriculture are slowly making a difference, even if progress is not always immediately visible. Sustainable tourism, environmental awareness, and technological advancements are also helping shape a new vision for Jamaica. Jamaica in 2025 is a land of contradictions, where beauty and struggle exist side by side. It is a place where reggae rhythms soothe the soul, but crime keeps people on edge. It is an island of breathtaking beaches and harsh realities. But above all, it is a country of resilient, passionate, and proud people who continue to fight for a better future, despite the odds. Living in Jamaica is not just about enjoying paradise. It's about navigating the complexities of an island that is as challenging as it is beautiful.